Here's our yud again. And remember when we learned yellow yud yells yeah, but only if there's a vowel under it or after it. Yeah. Does yud here have a vowel under it? No. Does it have a vowel after it? Yes. And this vowel says ooh. So put it together. You. So this is one of the examples. This vowel ooh is what would come after yellow yud to make it yell, to make it sound. So that's something I want you to remember. And now, to help you remember the ooh, we're going to play a game. We're going to play a relay race. We'll have 2 teams, and if it's a very small class, you can do it with just one passing it around in a circle. Otherwise, if you have a larger class, you could do it with 2 teams. You will take the ball, the first person. You'll have other people lined up behind you. You take the ball and you say, ooh. You pass it to the next person, and they grab the ball and go, ooh. Come up here, let's see how we do this, all right? Ooh. Ooh. And you pass it on.